This is Algebra 2, Chapter 5, Unit 1, Part 2, Solving Polynomials. So we're going to look into adding and subtracting polynomials first. So remember, when adding and subtracting polynomials, we want to combine like terms. And also you want to watch out for subtraction problems. More on that later. So write your answer in standard form, and let's look at some examples. We have 3x squared plus 11x plus 4 plus negative 5x plus x squared minus 13. Since there's no negative sign, since this is addition or instead of subtraction, what I tend to like to do is I look inside my parentheses to see if there's anything I can combine first. And if there's nothing I can combine within my parentheses, then I just drop those parentheses and I start combining my like terms. So once I combine the 3x squared and the positive x squared, I get 4x squared. Then I have 11x and negative 5x, so 11x minus 5x equals 6x, and I have positive 4 and a negative 13. When combined, that equals negative 9. Now I want you to solve numbers 2 through 5 on your own. Go ahead and pause the video while you solve those problems, and then restart the video to see the answers. Here are the answers for numbers 2 through 5. Now, let's look at multiplying polynomials. With multiplying polynomials, we want to distribute or FOIL first. Then we want to combine like terms and write our answer in standard form. As you remember, standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So let's look at some examples. We have negative 3 times a plus 5 times a minus 2 times a plus 8. So first we want to go ahead and combine this negative 3 and this a. Since there's nothing within my parentheses that I can combine, I'm going to go ahead and take this negative 3 and distribute it into my first set of parentheses. So negative 3 times a is negative 3a, and negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just start combining or multiplying those out. So I have a times a is a squared, and then negative 2 times a is negative 2a, and then a times positive a is 8a, so 8a and negative 2a equals 6a, and negative 2 times 8 is 16. Now we still have we have a binomial and a trinomial that we need to distribute and multiply. So once we take negative 3a times a squared, we get negative 3a cubed. And then we have negative 3a times positive 6a, we get negative 18a squared. Next we have negative 3a times negative 16, we get positive 48a. Then we move on to negative 15. We get negative 15 times a squared equals negative 15a squared. Negative 15 times 6a equals negative 90a. And negative 15 times negative 16 equals positive 240. Go ahead and combine like terms and arrange them in standard form with your exponents in descending order. And your answer should be negative 3a cubed minus 33a squared minus 42a plus 240. Now try numbers 6 through 7 and 9 through 11 on your own. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Here are the answers for those problems. Number 12 is an application problem. Okay, so it says that the height of a trapezoid can be expressed as 2x plus 9, while the bases can be expressed as 3x minus 7 and x plus 5. Write an expression to represent the area of the trapezoid. So an area of a trapezoid is area equals 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times height. Okay, so we just input our above binomials into our area for formula for a trapezoid. So we have our 1/2 still, and our base 1 is 3x minus 7, so we go ahead and put that in. And then this plus our second base, which is x plus 5, so we go ahead and put that in. And then our height, as from the problem, is 2x plus 9, so that's multiplied. Okay, so now we go ahead and work inside our parentheses. So we go ahead and combine like terms within our parentheses. And we are left with 1/2 times 4x minus 2 times 2x plus 9. Now we go ahead and we distribute that 1/2 to that 4x and minus 2. And we're left with 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 9. You then go ahead and FOIL the problem, and the area would be 4x squared plus 16x minus 9. Now dividing polynomials. We want to divide each term in the numerator by the monomial in the denominator. Write your answer in standard form. Rewrite all terms with negative exponents. So let's look at some examples. We have parentheses 9m cubed minus 24m squared divided by 3m. So we go ahead and we take 9m cubed and divide it by 3m. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. M cubed divided by m equals 3 minus 1, so m2, or m squared, minus 24 divided by 3 is 8, and m squared divided by m, one of the m's cancels out on top, and we're left with just an m. So our answer is 3m squared minus 8m. Next, we have 14a to the 4th b cubed minus 20a squared b squared plus 2ab times 2ab to the negative 1 exponent. Well, we want to get rid of that negative 1 exponent. So in order to get rid of that, we just go ahead and put it on the bottom. Now we just go ahead and divide. So we have 14a to the 4th power times b cubed divided by 2ab. So 14 divided by 2 equals 7. A to the 4th divided by a equals a to the 3rd. B to the cubed divided by b equals b squared. And negative 20 divided by 2 equals negative 10. A squared divided by a equals a. And b squared divided by b equals b. And then 2ab divided by 2ab equals 1. Now try numbers 14 and 16 through 18 on your own. Go ahead and pause the videos while you try those. Here are the answers for those problems. Now, please complete homework number 1 on your own in your homework packet. Thank you.